A colorful way to spread joy and happiness around town. Beaufort Elementary School students are decorating their driveways for the school sidewalk chalk extravaganza.
I was trying to draw the school because school is where we go to learn and where we learn most of our stuff and we get our smartness from.
I'm making the house and my parents. T-Rex, Spinosaurus, and Pterodactyl.
The school's art teacher came up with this fun idea after seeing an article online about a brother and sister from Illinois that created beautiful artwork in their driveway last spring during quarantine.
She incorporated her brother in the creations.
Earlier this week, the teacher talked to students about the project and how to use the art techniques they're learning about when creating their artwork.
We are learning about the science of the color wheel, and the students are experimenting with how complementary colors make each other darker. What's the rule with complementary colors? They have the option to create the illusion of depth and to use what they're starting to learn about shading through their creation.
The students had fun sketching on their sidewalks.
That you can use different colors for anything, and it's fun to draw things on your concrete so everyone can see it.
All the colorful colors and making different things and how you can blend the colors so we can make tie-dye.
Having fun and drawing with people.
The school gave every student a box of chalk and encouraged both virtual and face-to-face learners to take part in the project.
They create their own image and take a picture of it and send it to me, and I'm putting it in a Google slideshow for all the students to enjoy, so that it just gives our students a chance to connect during these times when they're not able to see one another.
The students hope when people pass by and see their driveways, it brightens up their day.
I hope it makes them feel happy.
And I hope it makes them feel like they can encourage themselves to do this too.
In Beaufort, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.